So, hi again and welcome back to my reaction video, and this is your Destiny saying thank you again for your love, for your support. Okay, so at this moment we can continue giving reaction to our one of the famous singer all the way from Malaysia, the song no other than Shila Amzah, and the title of her song is Set Fire to the Rain. So this was 2012. So I really love it because it's an English, and I want to see, or I want to hear her voice again because her voice is so majestic and I really love her voice. So let's take a look on it.
I let it fall.
Wow.
Save me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say, they were never true, in the game you play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burns while I cry, 'cause I heard that it's screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I blew us into the flame. Well, it felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, that heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burns while I cry, 'cause I heard that it's screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I blew us into the flames. Well, it felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Oh, 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 oh no, let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn.
Wow, so that's it. I really love her voice in here. It's fearless voice and there is the power in it, and she nailed this song. Yeah, as we can see the judges over here, like, oh wow. They also saw the goodness of her voice, as her voice was so incredible, it's powerful, and yeah. This was 2012, and yeah. Today is 2020, so it's been a long one, but yeah, as I knew her, as I go to her old songs, I can see that her voice is I can say that extremely powerful and extremely majestic voice. So wow, I really love it. So especially the English version, I love the way she sing it. It's very natural, professional singer, and the way she expressed herself as well. So I really love her videos, her collection. I think I can get her collection as well on my playlist, so this can add to my favorite songs. So yeah, and of course, as we can see over here, I don't know how would I say that, but it seems she is so perfect. Okay, that every time that she sing any kind of song that was given to her, it's she always nailed it. Almost everything is goosebump. So yeah, because the first that I heard from her is the French one, the French language, and pretty cool. The voice, the maturity of voice is there, and yeah, I can say that it's so perfect. I love it, and as well as the way that she, you know, put herself to that song, the way her heart is there, or emotion is there, so perfect. She get everything, and yeah, I would really love to see more on her collection. So yeah, if you have some more suggestions over there, just feel free to put the title, of course, or the links. But I may say the title because sometimes I cannot see it or click the links that you can give to me on the YT app studio. So yeah, better just please give me the title so I will find it. Okay, so that's all for today, and wow, this song delights my day. So thank you so much again for giving me Shila Amzah, for getting to know her more. So yeah, big respect and salute to you, Shila Amzah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.